Hi everybody. Today we are going to learn how to use the split screen or split view on Google Chrome. First, open your Chrome browser and make sure it is updated to the latest version on your computer. Load at least two different tabs in the same browser window. If you want to split view an existing tab, make sure you are on your active tab, hold the Control button on Windows or Command button on Mac OS, and click on the specific tab you want to view side by side. Right-click on the selected tab to open the context menu, and then click explicitly on Add Tab to New Split View. If you want to split view your active tab with a brand new tab, you can simply use the keyboard shortcut by holding down Alt plus Shift and pressing N on Windows, or Option plus Shift plus N on Mac OS to trigger the split view instantly. The Chrome interface layout will immediately divide your main window into a dual pane view, displaying both web pages side by side inside a single browser window. You can adjust the dividing line between the two panes by dragging the central separator handle left or right to recustomize your workspace size. To close the split layout, right-click on either tab header at the top, select Arrange Split View, and click on Separate Views. And that's it. I hope it helps you on your current and future project. Thank you for watching.